This is David Mann of Lotto Odds. It is June 18th, 2020. Okay, this video is being made for all my sum players, all right, on Lotto Odds, lottoodds.com. All right, I'm going to show you something pretty cool that's going to help you out with your sum play and get a lot of wins, all right? So this chart here is going to show you, actually contains the sums that you play with, the 1-2 sums, and the 1-2-3 pattern. As you know from prior videos and from working on Lotto Odds or playing on Lotto Odds, the 1-2-3 pattern refers to the high, low, odd, even patterns. It just converts them to numbers. So if something like this, 2-2 would be too low, too even, okay? Or something like this, too low, 1 even, etc. The 1-2 sums refers to the sums here, okay? What it does, it just consolidates all these 0 to 27 of them, and it puts them into 4 patterns, okay? 4 patterns, 1-1, 1-2, 1-1 here, 1-2, 2-1, and 2-2. That's it. All these 27 are within those 4 patterns here because it makes it easier to look at these 4 patterns and be able to take out one pattern, and this one pattern could take out 5 to 6 sums at one time. If you had to do that on your own by looking at 0 to 27, it's a much more difficult job to take 5 to 6 sums out when you look in something like that. And if you take 2 of them out, you could be up to 10 or 15 sums. All right, this is something that's going to really be helpful to you. Okay, so it goes like this. Every single 1-2 sum, I should say, every single sum from 0 to 27 is connected to one single 1-2 sum. That's right. I'll say it again. Every sum from 0 to 27 is connected to one single sum. And this is very important, okay? And every sum is connected to one or more 1-2-3 patterns. One more time. 1-2 sum, every 1-2 sum is connected to a 1-2-3 pattern, one or more patterns. And this is important. Why? This is very important. Because if you know what the sum is, then you're going to know what the high, low, odd, even pattern goes with the sum, what the next winner is going to be. Okay? With this. I'll tell you why. You see everything in green here? These are direct mirrors. The majority of the time, about like 90% of the time, when a 3 doesn't hit down here, okay, this is going to mirror each other. They're going to mirror each other. The sums are going to mirror the 1-2 sums. In turn, 1-2 sums are going to mirror the 1-2-3 patterns. Vice versa, the 1-2-3 patterns are going to mirror the 1-2 sums, and the 1-2 sums are going to mirror the sums themselves. So, for example, if you know what sum 10 is, you come up with sum 10, which is overdue, you know that sum 10 is connected to 1-2 sum pattern 2-1. In turn, you know that it mirrors. 2-1 is a direct mirror, and in the majority of the time, over 90% of the time, it will mirror that. Okay, right there. The 2-1 right there with a 1-2-3 pattern, which is interpreted 2 lows, okay, 2 lows, 1 even. 2 lows, 1 even. Okay? That's how that's interpreted there. All right? 2 lows, 1 even, and then you can pick your number. You can pick your numbers from there and in Lotto Odds. I'm going to show you. I'm going to take you to Lotto Odds right now and show it to you. All right. Here's a history page, right? So if we just go, you know what? I'm gonna minimize this so you could see it on the side. There you go. All right, so have a full view there. All right, so you're gonna come here and see something like this. Let's go down to a state that you probably work with. Not those smaller states. So we could do any state. All right, so starting from the top here, you see this 6 right there. Can highlight it. Hold on. Right there, 6. Well, look at 6 here. Okay, right there, 6. It's connected to what? 1, 2 sums 1, 2. See the 6 here? It's connected to 1, 2, and in turn, it's connected to 2, 1. Just like here, 6 is connected to the 1, 2, connected to the 2, 1. Let's do another one. 5. Oop, 5 is connected to 11 and 3, 3, 3. 5 here. All right. Connected to 11, connected to 3, 3 right there. 1, 2. Okay, excuse me. Sum 17 connected to 1, 2, 1, 2. Here, this is a direct mirror. Sum 17 connected to 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do one more. 18. Okay. 18. Right there. 18. Hold on. Computer's acting up. All right. So 18 connected to 1, 1, 3, 1. 18 here connected to 1, 1, and 3, 1 there. Let's do 8. 8, 1, 2, 2, 1. 8, 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay? So that's how that works. All right? And also, you could come to the history page and basically just use the sum feature here. Okay? The sum filter, I should say. And just go to 8 or any number that you want. And it works consistently, guaranteed. Just go back, test it yourself, and you'll see. All right, let's see here. See? There you go. This is the 8 is connected to the 1, 2s, and then the 1, 2s. See all the 1, 2s there? Yeah. And the 1, 2s are showing what they're connecting for 1, 2, 3 patterns. 2 1s, 2 3s, 3 1s, right there. This is the chart. This is the complete chart, and it looks like this. Okay? So the key here is to be able to identify the sums. And you know what's interesting? If you are able to, what you could do is you could go to the 1, 2 sums and determine if, like for example, you believe 2, 1 is outstanding. 2, 1 will give you a number of sums to work with. Okay, a number of sums to work with. You could start out from there, and then if you pick the right one, that's all you have to do is just pick the right sum. Okay, and then it will tell you, this chart will tell you what high, low, odd, even pattern to play. That simple. Okay? Wish you luck.